funds is here to back startups working on game-changing products, technology like AI, blockchain and robotics, with a special focus on highest impact sectors like deep tech. There's more. The government will invest 500 crore to set up a center of excellence in artificial intelligence to prepare India's workforce for a tech-forward future.
The youth will be trained in manufacturing to make in India and to make for the world. The government will train and inspire them, will teach and certify them, and hold reviews of the centers